Oof. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are in Hondafest. There's been some beautiful cars out here. I think, of course, there's a couple cars out here. The quick spin around, backwards. These cars are beautiful. This is why I kept my Honda. There's a couple of them. As I walk in front, you'll see them one by one. I'm telling you, it is nice outside.
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, listen up. Raffle tickets will be on sale at 12 o'clock. We got about 10 minutes.
I don't know, maybe I didn't purchase some.
Over at the Herb Chambers booth. Make sure you go check them out. Herb Chambers booth.
Over there.
We got raffle tickets going on sale in about 10 minutes.
Maybe I might win something today. Might purchase. There's a coat, bunch of Honda old schools. I see some S2000s, NXX, you name them. Of course they have it. Any type of show like this is big.
And if you guys are wondering what they're raffling off, they're gonna be raffling off a Honda Moto Compacto. Make sure you go check them out, right? 10 minutes.
So it's been a wonderful little fun drive this morning. Just doing a quick vlog because man, this make me really want to do a little bit more quicker on my car, but it's all good. I seen 2020s, 2024s from the 90s of all type of models. This is actually dope. This is a nice little dope combination of blue. All the blues back there. Wow, this is kind of dope. Catch you out later.